Hello, my name is Ronnie David Caraballo Montiel. I am from Sagún, Córdoba, Colombia. In my community, I found a beautiful artwork called Monument to Cultural Identity. It is monument made by local artists. I found a similar artwork in Google Arts and Culture. It is called Danza de los Viejitos and was created by the Purupecha people in the 20th century. Both artworks are similar because they show cultural identity, use bright and vivid colors, represent joy and tradition, and express the pride the, of community. I think these awards are important because they connect local and global culture. Thank you.